How to connect Namecheap domain to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Namecheap domain to Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 into your browser and then sign into your account. Now once signed in, go to your project. So head over to the apps tab and then from here select a project where you want to use that Namecheap domain to. And then once you're on the project, go ahead and head over into the dashboard tab. So make sure that the app has fully loaded before you head over into the dashboard tab. So from here, select domains, and then into the section, you'll basically find an add domain button if the subscription was updated to builder plan or above. And then if you do have that, go ahead and click on that and then enter your Namecheap domain. Base44 will provide DNS records that you must configure in Namecheap. After that, go ahead and open Namecheap into a new tab and then log into your account. And then once you're in here, head over into the domains tab and then select domain list, and then on the main list simply select manage and then click on advanced DNS and then update DNS records. So CNAME record preferred if Base44 provides one. Add a CNAME record pointing www to the Base44 provided target, and add a records pointing to your domain to the IP address provided by Base44. So after this, go ahead and save your changes and then verify in Base44. So return to Base44 and click on verify domain. And DNS propagation may take up to 24 hours but usually resolves within minutes. And then lastly, go ahead and enable SSL. And then lastly, go ahead and enable HTTPS. Base44 typically provisions SSL certificates automatically once the domain is verified. So check that your site loads correctly and securely. And that is how you can basically connect Namecheap domain to Base44.